Hello everybody, my name is Nogutsaba and I'm from Zimbabwe. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Saad Ali and Forex for Beginners Academy. I came across the Forex Trading for Beginners page on Facebook, and truly that was the best thing that ever happened to me. Mr. Saad Ali takes you from the basic step by step and makes you a pro. I learned a lot. I learned about support and resistance. I learned about how to use Fibonacci retracement tools, candlestick patterns, chart analysis and markup, how to use trend lines and channels on different time frames to predict where the market will move next, and most importantly, trader discipline and developing a trade plan. There's a private student group where we post our charts and Mr. Saad and all the other students analyze and give you feedback on your markups. This is what this community is all about. You get to learn all that for free. If you want to be a successful trader, sign up today.